Today I'm gonna talk about Big Bang's World Tour notice for the North America and Europe stops. So today, actually it's June 17 right now, 2 a.m. So yesterday they released instructions on how to join the pre-sale and the general sale for North America and Europe stops. So I'm gonna go over that and also gonna give a quick tutorial on how to join the pre-sale. If you're new to my channel, my name is Bea and I post concert videos, fan cams, tutorials, vlogs, things that I just felt like doing, you know. If you attend a lot of K-pop concerts, for sure you are familiar with Weavers. But if you're not, I also posted a few months ago a ultimate guide for Weavers, so I'm gonna link that below. Big Bang is not using Weavers. They have using this site called B.Stage. Let me just pull that up. Okay, so I'll just go over quickly this notice. It says here that this concert in North America and Europe will start in September this year. Oh, by the way, so luckily I saw Big Bang this year for the first time. Been a long fan, so it was crazy to see them finally after like, I don't know, 11 years? No, I'm a fan since 2011, so yeah. So I saw them this year at Coachella. Like I camped for that, so I was barricade, like, and you can I also posted like 4K fan cams for that. If you want to check that out, I'm gonna link that below. Going back, there are only 4 stops, 2 in North America and 2 in Europe, which is, I don't know what's happening really. Like, it's Big Bang. Like, you can book so many stadiums and it's gonna be fully booked for sure, you know. But I don't know, just not even in LA. Like, it's the one here closest to me is Oakland, so I have to fly. Let's talk about the stops. For North America, we have Oakland and in New Jersey. And then for Europe, there's Paris and London. In North America, they're using 2 different ticket websites. So for California, there's AXS, and for New Jersey is Ticketmaster. Okay, and then there's the dates. There are 5, 11, 19, 26. Oh, it's all happening in September, which is my birth month. That's gonna be a good birthday present. Okay, this is a very important step if you are a member of Big Bang fan club. One of the perks is that you can join the pre-sale, and this is very important. There is a registration for the pre-sale. The last time I did the Weavers tutorial, a lot of people commented on that, like they joined the fan club but they weren't able to do the pre-sale because they forgot to join the pre-sale registration. Just a reminder that even if you are part of the fan club, you're not automatically registered for the pre-sale. You need to register for the pre-sale using your fan club or your membership number. If you're again part of the fan club, if you're a new Big Bang fan, you are called a VIP. A VIP is the fan club name for Big Bang. So you're a VIP, you joined the paid membership, then you need to join the pre-sale registration. And that would happen on June 16, which is yesterday, when they announced this notice. You can register from June 16 until June 22. They listed every time zone here. So for me, it's gonna be, since yesterday 7 a.m. it's open until Sunday 10 p.m. Okay, so there's different links depending on the stops. I'm gonna join here, but before we do that, let's just go over the notice. You have 7 days to register for the pre-sale. for North America, the actual pre-sale, right? So you do the registration, pre-sale registration, and then the pre-sale will actually happen on the 24th, June 24, and June 25. Okay, so for North America, June 16 to 22, pre-sale registration. The actual pre-sale is June 24 to June 25. Okay, now, after the pre-sale, if you weren't able to get a ticket, or you are not part of the fan club, you don't have the paid membership, then you can join general ticket sale. So that will happen on June 26th, Friday, 10 a.m. We've established the pre-sale registration date and time, the pre-sale date and time, and then the general sale date and time. Okay, so now how can we join the pre-sale? So again, this is only valid for those who paid for the VIP membership. How to join? Click participate at the bottom of this survey and then submit according to application period and format. So you will need the 6-digit membership code. Okay, so where can we locate this 6-digit membership code? You can find it on my page, my membership, view membership details, and then you will see it there. Okay, let me see if there's any other important notes here. So on the actual pre-sale, you will use your membership code as the pre-sale code. So it says here that you can buy 6 tickets per show. Let's go ahead and do the pre-sale survey. So let's go log in. Let's go. At the very top, you will see membership. It means I have a paid membership. Then your username, then your email. And then here you can see my membership. And you can see here, I am a member of the 6th VIP fan club. So to see your membership account number or membership code number, you need to click view membership details. You will see the membership name, validity of this, then the membership number. So membership number contains of 6 alphanumeric code, your name, date of birth, phone number. And below, you can join the survey, which is the registration. So let me go ahead and do that here. So I'm gonna do Oakland, do this survey. So you're gonna click participate. Yes, so let's get started. So just some info. Here you're gonna put your membership number, which you already talked about earlier. Hit submit. And then you're done. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, if I go back to this Oakland survey, and if I go down, it doesn't say participate anymore. It says edit response. Everything is good. Now we're already done with registering for the survey or for the pre-sale. So I just need to wait on the actual pre-sale date, which is gonna be June 24, 10 a.m. PDT. Maybe you're wondering, what if you don't have the fan club membership? There is no deadline for that. You can join anytime. Join now so you can register for the pre-sale and then join the pre-sale later on. There is an official tour website. Let's go ahead and check that. Okay, so there's only a few shows. So usually this website will be updated when the tickets are available. You'll be able to click this and it will go to the AXS website for Oakland or Ticketmaster for New Jersey. But yeah, that's it. So I mean, if you're watching this, it means you really wanted to see them and wanted to secure the ticket, and your best bet is doing the pre-sale. So that's it. Hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'm gonna reply as much as I can. Please like, subscribe, share. See you in the next video.